In this nocturne, theme 1, which we highlighted in the overview of the piece's form, appears 3 times across the piece. In the first A section it appears twice, and in the last A section once. The first 2 appearances, labelled theme 1A and B, are 8 bars in length, comprising 2 4-bar phrases. Theme 1C is longer, boasting an additional 4-bar phrase that transitions into the closing cudetta of the composition. Despite this extra phrase, I want to focus on the first 2 phrases of this theme, which relate to the entirety of the other 2 melodies, as they demonstrate how Chopin uses embellishment and reharmonization to develop his musical ideas. In the figure on screen, I have highlighted pitches that are the same or similar in blue. In the opening 4 bars of the 3 themes, the broader brushstrokes of the melodies are the same, and 1B and 1C are replicas. However, there are subtle variations between themes 1A and the other 2 in these first 4 bars. For example, themes 1B and 1C extend the ornamentation of their second group of appoggiaturas. The result is a kind of inverted turn, whereas 1A's appoggiaturas only rise to the G sharp. Strictly speaking, an inverted turn would only start on the F sharp 1 pitch below, not 2. Slight, these details are cumulative, making the theme similar enough for listeners to hear the similarities, but also different enough for us to appreciate them. Chopin uses comparable variations for the antecedent phrases of 1A and 1C. The same material again, the addition of a trill and appoggiaturas in bar 6 create further subtle variation. In a shorter form piece such as this nocturne, this lighter embellishment could be enough variation alone. However, Chopin uses the same technique more expansively, pairing it with a technique called reharmonization, which is simply the changing of the harmonies underneath the same melody. For example, in bar 3, themes 1B and C are the same. Starting and ending on the same pitches, albeit in different octaves, one can see how they are melodically related. They are embellishments of theme 1A's bar 3. Furthermore, each being more scalic and spanning 2 octaves, the pitch content of each serves to elucidate the changed underlying harmony between bars 3 and 4 and the perfect cadence in F sharp minor, the subdominant of C sharp. In the score at bar 7 and 8, which is bar 3 and 4 of theme 1A, we can see the underlying harmony for the simplified exposition of the melody. The progression is C sharp, the major tonic, to D sharp diminished 7, which is the supertonic diminished 7, whereas at bar 15 to 16, which is the same bars but in theme 1B, the harmony becomes C sharp 7 to F sharp minor, or if we read it as a perfect cadence in F sharp minor, it would be a dominant 7 to 1. Chopin uses the embellished melodies of 1B and 1C to preempt this harmonic shift into F sharp minor. Both explicitly use notes of F sharp melodic minor in descending motion over the C sharp 7 chord. The takeaway as a composer here is that the harmony, both in the moment and part of a progression, can be undermined or strengthened by the pitch material you use above it. For Chopin, this is stylistically and effectually apt. For us or another composer, it could be desirable to add more chromaticism, as Chopin does in the consequent of theme 1C, or even juxtapose pitch material of a different tonality, atonality, or modality. If you enjoyed this video, why not check out our free analysis sheet summaries, which are exclusive to any All Music mailing listers. Find out more via the link in the description below.